BMW X5 electrical problems? How do you know if it's battery or alternator? Is your BMW X5 engine taking longer to come to life? Usually this happens due to a dying battery. Also, issues with the alternator can cause a similar problem. Listed below are some pointers that will help you diagnose the exact cause of the problem. Signs your BMW X5 battery is faulty. Engine is slow to crank. The battery powers the ignition system, starter motor, and other vital components. That's why if it goes out, you might find it hard to start up your car engine. Swollen battery case. One visible indicator of battery issue in a car is misshaped battery case. One of the following things may cause your battery case to expand: overcharging, extreme environmental temperatures, flickering lights. Another obvious symptom that your battery might be failing is if your car lights are flickering. Signs your BMW X5 alternator is faulty. Persistent whining noise. If you get whining noise from under the hood of your car, this could be due to a faulty alternator. Listed below are a few reasons that may cause your car alternator to whine: faulty bearing, damaged bushes, worn pulley, burning odor. Yes, the occurrence of a burning odor from under the hood is a possible sign of an alternator issue. So, it will be worth your while to book a checkup with a mechanic. The battery keeps dying. Your car battery keeps dying and you're not sure what the problem exactly is. Well, this may happen due to a worn or damaged alternator. Bottom line: we hope the above signs will help you to pinpoint what exactly is wrong with your BMW X5's electrical system.